Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Java programming language on Windows 11 PC. Java is the most popular language of the world. There are many devices using Java to run their operations. So, to install Java programming language on Windows 11 PC, at first I open my browser and then I type Java in VS Code. After that, hit enter. Then click on Java in Visual Studio Code. This is the Java installation page. And then I scroll down and click on install coding pack for Java Windows. I click on this button and Java installer is downloading. It is 70 MB installer package. It takes few seconds to download. Download is completed. I minimize my browser and double click on Java coding pack. This is coding pack installer for Java. Right click on next button. It show me that after click on install, it will download JDK, install JDK and install Java extension for VS Code. I click on install button. After click on install button, it download few files for JDK and other files. It take few seconds or few minutes. So we need to wait for end installation. Now I click on finish button. Then it open the VS Code. And then I go to extensions and type Java. And then click on extension pack for Java and click on install. It is installed and now press on F1 button and type Java and find create Java project and tools, no build tools. Select your Java project folder. So I create a new folder, Java project. Then click on select the project location and then type project name and hit enter. That was my video. In this video, I was showing you how to install Java on Windows 11 PC. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on my Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.